In this video tutorial, we will dealing with the WINAVR series at Mega series microcontroller, which is our main microcontroller, and then learn how to create Makefile with the compiler WINAVR. So first we go to the website the mentioned below, and just uh, from the website here you have the download option for WINAVR. Just go and download it, then install it in your system. After installing in your laptop or desktop, you will be getting some files for WINAVR. I have Windows 8 installed in my system, so in that WINAVR file you will get a file like this, which is called the Makefile generator or Mfile. So just click on it. So here you will get your Mfile generator. So now the question comes, what is Makefile or Mfile? So Makefile or Mfile is a kind of file which communicates between my hardware and software and create a definite path for my software to communicate with my hardware. So basically in the embedded system part, we have to first make our program and then compile it with some compiler like I have WINAVR. And so how the software interacts with my hardware, or rather like what I should say is how my software knows that which hardware I have. Either I have AVR, either I have 8051, either I have at a teeny microcontroller. So for the software to understand what is my hardware, so then I need the Makefile. So what is the Makefile generally does, we should code some values in my Mfile. So that's by this Makefile we will compile our program and generate our hex code, which should be burnt in our microcontroller. So the Mfile have some values here. You can see there are line coded here. Many lines are coded there. We will change some values here and save it. So by this Makefile, our software knows what the hardware we have. So it is a very important part to create your own Makefile. So to generate a Makefile, just go to this tab, which is Makefile. Just click on it. Just click on it, and there will be get enable editing of Makefile. Just click on this enable editing. Then you can see no change, but if you don't do this part, then you won't be able to change any part of this Makefile. So then again go to this Mfile tab and click on it. Then go to MCU type. Here you have 80, 80, 90, at Mega, 18E and others. So go to Makefile and MCU type. If we have 8 Mega series microcontroller, so then go to 8 Mega and search for your microcontroller. We will be using 8 Mega 16 microcontroller, so here you will find your 8 Mega 16 microcontroller. Then click on this 8 Mega series 8 Mega 16 microcontroller. Then you can see in this tab your microcontroller name is now 8 Mega 16. Then again go to Makefile tab, then click on the main file name. You have the main file name by default. Just click on OK. So what is this, we'll be dealing later. Just click on it, then see your target name is main. So when you will write any program on WINAVR system, you should first save the file name by giving main. So your Makefile targets on your main part and generate your hex code. Then again go to Makefile. Then you have your C standard level should be GNU 99. Debug format should be ELF DWARF to AVS Studio 4.11 plus. Then in here you can see a part called FCPU. Here is our FCPU. Here is our FCPU. What is this FCPU? It is the clock frequency of our AVR development board. We will be having our development board of 16 megahertz crystal. So then change this value to 16 megahertz. Then you have your own Makefile. Then just click on this file and save as, and save at your any place in your computer. I prefer the desktop, and click on save. In your desktop you can now see your Makefile. Double click on it. Just open with your notepad. I have notepad here. You can see here your in your Makefile. You can see your MCU name is now at Mega 16. MCU name is now at Mega 16. Just scroll down it. You can see here FCPU value is 16 megahertz. Format is always iHex, because we will be generating hex code only, because my microcontroller prefers hex code because it is very faster to execute the hex files only, and our target name is main. So you're done with your Makefile generation, and so this tutorial complete. So hope you in the next part. If any question come, you can mail us at mail to technique@gmail.com. Thank you.